Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out the KKZ shipping scale. I just started selling a whole bunch of stuff on eBay, so I needed a scale that was pretty large and I could put boxes on it and still be able to see the screen. That's what I like about this one here. Has the remote screen so that you can see it even if you put large boxes on this, which this will hold up to 440 pounds. I'll go ahead and take it over here in a second and I'll jump on it. I weigh like 285. Right here, this is everything that you are going to get. You're going to get the scale, obviously, and then you get this. And the nice thing about this is you can charge it right here, USB-C. It does come with the cable right here, USB-A to USB-C. Or you can pop this open and just use AAA batteries. And they actually do include some AAA batteries for you right there. Also comes with some mounting hardware so that you can mount this if you would like. And since you're going to be using this for shipping, another important thing for shipping is knowing the length, width, depth on all of your packages. So they do include a nice tape measure as well. So this thing, easy to use. You're just going to go ahead and power it on. Right there you go. And it does have different units on here. It has ounces and pounds, has kilograms, has just ounces, it has just pounds, and then we are back to our ounces and pounds. I keep it on ounces and pounds. That's standard for shipping. It does have a hold button as well as your tear button on here as well. And then obviously you put a little bit of weight on this and it's going to start weighing stuff. So like I said, and promised you guys, I'll go ahead and set this up over there and we'll step on it and see how well it does weighing me. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and step on this and we'll see how well it works. Boom, right there we go. It is taking the reading. Like I said, I weigh about 285 pounds. It's showing 282 right there. Boom. And then it holds that weight. All right, so as you saw right there, it did a fantastic job weighing me. And so far, I've been very, very pleased with this. I've shipped a few packages out with it already, and it's been extremely accurate, even like lower weights, which accuracy is very important whenever you're trying to, save as much money as possible whenever you're shipping out your packages. So overall, I think it's fantastic. And if you're needing something to get accurate readings for shipping out packages, I highly recommend this product right here.